So this program is designed to read the UID of an RFID card and compare it with two stored authorized UIDs, specifically the UID tag EE20 7EN05 and UID tag for AFC 8404. So when the RFID reader detects a card, it converts the UID into a string and checks if it matches one of the authorized values. So if the scanned card matches either of the two stored UIDs, the OLED display will show the message access granted, like this one. On the other hand, and the serial monitor will also print access granted. On the other hand, if the card does not match any authorized UIDs, the OLED will display access denied, which is, for example, like this. And the serial monitor will print access denied. This ensures that only the two specified cards can gain access while all other cards are rejected.